my name is Ronell Flowers. I am from Cleveland, Ohio, Cleveland Heights to be exact, and my major is mechanical engineering technology. Mechanical engineering is theory-based, and mechanical engineering technology is more so application-based. The mechanical engineer is the ones who think it through, while the mechanical engineering technology is the ones who actually put it through, more so the hands-on through the computer. Before I came here, I was a little nervous about majoring in engineering because I thought it would be too hard, but it's not. You have the help and the resources to get through everything. They help you out, no matter who you are, no matter where you come from, no matter what's your background. They're going to help you out and make sure you're able to achieve your goal. Extra help, advisors, like everything is there for you, so it's not going to be hard. Everybody around here is just great. The environment is great, the energy is great. I feel like I fit in here. I was able to do something I really wanted to do, and I'm almost done at completing it. If you want to be somewhere where you feel welcomed, where you feel able to learn, you want to be prepared, come to Kent State. It's a great opportunity.